exists below the surface in spaces between the soil particles. The soil acts as a kind of sponge. It makes the water saturate the ground. A place that holds a large amount of groundwater is called an aquifer. Groundwater is replenished by various forms of precipitation. The precipitation or excess water from plants then seeps into the soil into the saturation zone. Above it is the unsaturated zone as groundwater. Once it gets there, it has now replenished our groundwater source. Example. You see how the water is saturating the ground? Observe. One way that groundwater moves is through the water cycle. It evaporates into the air and turns into a cloud to continue the cycle. Groundwater does not stay in one place. Another way it moves is through the underground aquifer for two reasons: gravity and pressure. Since it flows downhill through the ground, the movement can cause mudslides. Damage. Groundwater is connected to surface water through the water table. Surface water is at the same level as the water table. At some points, you can even see the top of the water table. Since groundwater sets its own level, the top of the surface water is also the top of the water table. This hand is groundwater, and this hand is surface water. Groundwater is also connected to the surface through springs, as in when the groundwater naturally comes up to resurface. Then it gets discharged into lakes, streams, rivers, and oceans. Groundwater is everywhere. One of the largest aquifers in the U.S., the Ogallala Aquifer, covers much of Nebraska. And we live in Birmingham. But we have the Great Lakes water supply.